sleep. They know there's a meal
I never
there.
said that. I can't say that.
Yes, but they can.
There are people there. They seem organized. Maybe it's safer there. That's what
We're saying Mont Stewart, St. Thomas, Port Argus.
Port Argus won't be able to take the strain.
Well, Lowton, Newchurch?
Well, and Winford, we think, although...
Sorry, what?
No, there was no...
From Winford?
Don't go to Winford.
No. What we're saying is what we can't confirm. I'm not trying to tell people where to go. I'm saying that I've been given this advice. That
What's the situation with Winford?
Because I wouldn't even have said St. Thomas myself.
There are people there. One could go to St. Thomas.
So it seems that...
City Councillor John Little announced today that if he couldn't organize a quorum here tonight in Mount Stewart, that he will propose a... I can't read this. Listen, the situation... Sorry, Dr. Brody, you want to come in there? The situation is... no one was prepared for it.
That's what I'm saying. We're all in the same situation, but there's no point in...
Sorry, what?
They got into the gym at Cottonville last night, so...
You see, once they're
We're
in...
talking about crows, seabirds, robins, sparrows. I mean, do you think a man could... A grand adoption?
Yes, but your average gull is big. 4 or 5 or 6 pounds in weight coming straight down out of the sky, easily reaching speeds of 40 miles an hour, can cause a tremendous amount of damage.